Today we start off with an unboxing video. How exciting. I mean, yeah, just look at the professional manner this box has been sellotaped shut. The box actually looks and feels like it's already been in multiple countries. Anyway, let's see what we've got here. Oh, damn it. I hate doing things with one hand. This is a door hinge, and this is of no interest to us because I've already done a video on replacing, I've done 2 videos on replacing door hinge for the front and back, so yeah, that doesn't interest me. So much wrapping, okay. Can't complain that it hasn't been properly packed. Still more packing, Jesus Christ. There we are. Yeah, that looks like, yeah, it's a bit sticky. That's normal. It feels alright though. I'm going to clean this up before I put it on the car. Anyway, just to remind you what's going on. See, the window will go down one touch all the way, but coming back up, it won't go up. See? That's why I don't think it's the pinch mechanism. And it will go up if I press the key fob, the close button, for a couple of seconds, then it will go up. So I do think the fault is in here. Now, to get it out, you need a removal tool. I honestly think this is probably one of the best investments ever. Like, cost like €4, and it's more than made up that money. Now, see, pull it out. Okay, I'm going to pull it out. Now you see these cables, you're going to undo them. I'm not going to be able to show it on camera because, obviously, I need both hands. And look at the back. There's something here. There's a spring that the other one does not have. I'm going to check that out in just a second. So the black cable goes into the socket at the front. This goes into the socket in the middle. And obviously this will go into the socket. Well, it's the only place it's going to fit. Let go of that. Hope it doesn't fall into the door. So this is the old one, and it's got this spring, and this does not have this spring. I'm sorry, I should say it doesn't have a spring, nor does it have a place to put it. But that is no big deal. I am going to connect up the new one and see if everything works. So it's in. I haven't put it completely in, but what do you think? Do you think it's going to work? Down, it works. And up. Oh yeah, problem solved. So this definitely works. Didn't do this before. Even though the fittings are different, I don't know, it's just it's fine. It's fine, it really is. But that's that for today. You've seen how to replace one of these things. What do you call this? A window command switch module thing. Yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in a future video. I bid you farewell.